In this video, we will present ISELED technology and explain how microchip can help you implement ISELED technology into your products. ISELED is an addressable and adjustable LED lighting technology. It enables more than 4,000 LEDs to be addressed at a data rate of 2 megabits per second with each microcontroller. ISELED is designed with low power requirements, minimal software, and small flash sizes. Interior lighting has evolved in modern cars. It is no longer used only as a marker for opened doors or for backlighting knobs and buttons. Today, the complete interior lighting sets moods, has options for day and night cycles, and includes touch interfaces that are taking over the roles of traditional buttons and physical sliders. Different LED suppliers and even different batches of LEDs may introduce minor differences in color that reflect poorly on the intended design goal. ISELED allows you to take control of your color correction and calibration so that your intended light design is always maintained. Traditional interior lighting technology is limited by wiring harnesses. Lighting controls can't be placed in the most logical or convenient location for the person who will interact with the system. Interconnection between different control clusters, such as the steering wheel and gear shift, are difficult or impossible using traditional technology. ISELED, however, enables dynamic lighting effects for the entire interior. The networking properties of ISELED allow you to work around these limitations. With ISELED, intelligence is added to the lighting systems. As mentioned previously, an ISELED-supported LED module will control the color temperature compensation, binning, and calibration. The result is that the LEDs will behave identically from batch to batch, lot to lot, and temperature. This means that each LED will display the exact same color temperature, solving major issues that car manufacturers have had to overcome in the past. In a practical application, a microcontroller is required to talk to the ISELED LED string. This means that it needs a special protocol with an ISELED-capable serial engine. Microchip's microcontrollers support core-independent peripherals which can be interconnected with glue logic and other peripheral elements like flip-flops. This enables Microchip to create an ISELED peripheral exclusively in hardware to minimize the burden of the processor. These key features mean that you can control ISELED LEDs with even the simplest and smallest 8-bit MCU. Microchip also supports ISELED through selected MCU families that allow for a higher refresh rate and dynamic animation through a 32-bit MCU with AUTOSAR support. In addition to ISELED hardware peripherals, Microchip's other peripherals allow you to combine lighting applications with other commonly used solutions, such as touch, LIN, CAN-FD. This broad portfolio allows you to mix and match the functionality you're looking for in your solution. For example, an MCU can have a combination of LIN, a bootloader, and a capacitive touch slider module or a capacitive proximity sense sensor. In this example, the PIC18F K42 MCU family has the ISELED module built in, plus a LIN UART with a specific LIN state machine hardware equipped on top of sync brake and Autobot UART features. This MCU family is also manufactured with a hardware capacitive touch module. At the other end of the spectrum, Microchip offers a unique candidate in the 32-bit portfolio, the SAM-HA1 family of devices. This family has an integrated VBAT load dump, an LDO and LIN transceiver, in addition to ISELED, LIN UART, and capacitive touch PTC modules. This single-chip solution includes LIN to ISELED and a proximity sense interior module implemented in a 5x5mm package. This is the smallest ISELED-capable solution available in the market today. To support the configuration and enabling of the ISELED peripheral, Microchip has added support through the MPLAB code configurator. With this GUI-enabled configurator, the peripherals can be set up with a simple click of the mouse. It can also be combined with other peripherals, such as touch and LIN modules. Pair the code configurator with evaluation boards from Microchip to get a quick start on your project. There are also 8 and 32-bit evaluation clickboards available for adding the ISELED board to the microcontroller. The SAM C21 and D21 MCUs are good options with their touch support and CAN and USB connectivity, as well as their analog-to-digital converters. Microchip offers a free 3-month evaluation license for ISELED. This license limits some of the functionality in ISELED. Microchip also offers full production licensing. This license cost is added to the part price, so there are no added costs. Contact your local Microchip sales representative for more information. Thanks for watching, and if you want to know more about ISELED and other Microchip offerings, please visit our dedicated ISELED webpage at microchip.com/ISELED or email us at iseled@microchip.com.